Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Welcome to the Real Parents Guide to Good Parenting. For moms and dads by moms and dads. For parents by parents. But wait, where is the parent?
Oh, hi. Thanks for waiting. Today we're in the FirstCry kitchen, ready to make homemade Sathu Maavu. It's healthy, delicious, tried and tested.
And tasted, it seems. Someone is eagerly waiting for his breakfast.
Yes, he absolutely loves it. You know, when my daughter was a baby, I used to depend a lot on store-bought baby foods to wean her. But by the time I had my son, I had a lot of mom friends and was given this recipe for Sathu Maavu by one of them. It's nutritious and good for healthy weight gain.
Whoa, can't wait to try it.
So, all you're going to need is half cup almond, half cup masoor dal, half cup moong dal, 1 cup brown rice, jaggery, 8 to 10 pods elaichi, 1 cup ragi. Soak all ingredients overnight. Strain water and let all the ingredients dry. It's important to let the ingredients dry properly or they'll be hard to powder later. And you know how impatient some diners can get, right? Mix all ingredients together and dry roast for about 10 minutes. When you're dry roasting, use a dry vessel. This is what it should look like. Allow the mixture to cool. Blend the mixture to fine powder. Sometimes you get chunks of almonds or some coarse grain. Sift these out and your Sathu Maavu powder is ready. Keep it in an airtight jar and it can be stored for up to 3 weeks. Just take 2 tablespoons of Sathu Maavu powder in half cup water. Pour the mixture into boiling water. Stir continuously and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let it cool. You can also add jaggery to sweeten it or ripe mashed bananas. Where are the bananas?
Oh,
So, are you ready for the tasting?
so what's the verdict going to be? Woohoo! It's a hit, guys. Thank you for sharing this recipe with us, Uma. And that's all for today in the FirstCry kitchen. See you again.